Good afternoon, everyone. Here we are in Rockville, Maryland. The aftermath of the blizzard. Whoa. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, the porch didn't do much help. The snow still came in. Hello, Laura. Yes. Look, I've cleaned off the vehicles. Look at that. Ooh, mostly clean. Let's see how deep these are. Whoa. Maybe I'll need to go vertical instead of horizontal. Yeah. You're welcome. Look at this cherry tree. Look at all that snow on there. Oh, you think a plow went by? Let's check it out. Good. Our driveway looks pretty clean. Ooh. Snow everywhere. Not a drop to drink. Hello, Jenny. So where are you from, Jenny? Did you get snow? Good thing we had a tree right there a couple of years ago, but it's gone. Hey, okay, Silver Spring. There's our lamppost. I think it's supposed to be above the ground, right? Like 5 feet tall? No, so like a foot and a half remaining of our 5-foot lamppost. Calgary. Yeah, you probably know snow up in Calgary. Here's our walkway. Yeah, a lot of snow. Can't really get from our driveway to the front of the house unless you go through the porch. I decided not to do the driveway. Oh, yeah. Streets are clear. Yeah, you see, even on our back street, there was one plow that went down. Fortunately, even though we have a corner lot, we don't have sidewalks. Woo! 30 inches. Somebody got 9 inches? You're lucky. You only had to shovel like once or twice. We have a snow blower. You can probably tell with the straight edges here. But couldn't wait till it was, yeah. Looks like we're in a snow cave here to get into the car. Oh, yeah, I thought about a leaf blower. Just especially for this dusty part right here, where it's not really easy to get with shovel or snowblower, of course. Wonder, did the leaf blower melt it? Are you in danger of having ice tonight when it freezes? Let's see how far I can get into the backyard. Whoa, okay. So the gate doesn't go open. Oh, that's why. Too much snow. So it looks kind of cool. Evens everything out. Oh, I missed that. Yeah, it works. We had a little stone work right here. So that's why there's a ridge in the snow, but otherwise you can't tell that this ramp goes down and out toward our deck. In fact, can you really tell at the deck? Because you can't tell it's 3 feet above the ground. There is no ground to measure it against. Do you see the grill? And there's the playhouse, which again, there's some steps that go up to the playhouse. I guess you don't need them. You just wear your snowshoes. This is in Rockville, Maryland. About 10 miles north of D.C. We have a table under there somewhere. Well, hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day. Let's see if I can swipe down.